Hello everyone, Tian from Handysolutions here. Let me show you this new basement project we're taking on. We walk down some nice steps onto the back, and now we enter the house. We see this large mirror and the door casing. All this needs to go because this is the furnace room. We're going to open a new door for it. And then we come into the living area. We see the bulkhead and the fireplace. Those all need to go too. And all the floors, all the tiles, everything needs to go. We're getting rid of all the cabinet, the backsplash, and the wall that they're on. We're going to demolish this entire bathroom and shower, everything. We're going to start from scratch. And over here, again, we remove all the floors, remove the wall on the left, and remove this wall that the electrical panel is on, because you see how it's recessed behind it. So we need to bring it out. So we need to get rid of all this existing drywall and demolish this existing closet. And then also right here, we're going to get rid of the appliances and get rid of this dividing wall between the stair and the machines. So this wall right here, and then the stairs and the landing above it, and all this floor, everything. Oh, and we're also going to get rid of this door here. We're going to put in a new door. Can't wait to show you guys what this looks like as we start to do it. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.